Today, let's understand what confusion matrix is all about with the help of this beautiful blog by Data School. So here we have 165 rows and we have to predict if a certain person has a certain disease or not. Okay. So what happens here is in 50 of these, the machine learning model predicted no, that the person did not have the disease, and actually also the person did not have the disease. Okay. So for 50 of the rows of 165. So this 50 is TN. TN is true negative. True is for actual. Actually, he did not have the disease. And negative is no. So he did not have the disease truly. So this is 50. Then TP. TP is true positive. So true positive is yes, he had the disease predicted was yes. And actually also it was positive. So this is 100. Next is FP. FP is 10. FP is false positive. So false positive, here my machine learning model told that yes, the person has the disease, but actually the person does not have the disease. So this is false positive. Here in Fn, the machine learning model predicted that the person does not have the disease, negative, but the person actually has a disease. So this is false negative. This is 5. Okay. So this is a confusion matrix overall, and I hope you understood what the confusion matrix is. So after that, let's understand these few terms. Okay. So for these few terms is I would like to go over precision. So what is precision? Precision is true TP. TP is true positive upon actually predicted yes. Okay. So what is the true positive over here? True positive is 100 over actually predicted yes. So how many were actually predicted to be yes? 110. So this is your precision. Okay. And then we have some other factors like Cohen's kappa F score and ROC. So if I'll put the link of this blog in the description if you want to get into more details. But I hope you understood the basic concept of confusion matrix and how overall things goes. So hope if you like the video, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.